Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. The first one is a supercar. Mobil Truk in English, truck. Mini excavator, you can see mini excavator. Monster truck, mini monster truck. Super motorbike, red color. Another mini monster truck. Hero Iron Man. Excavator, mini excavator, amazing excavator. How about this one? I don't know its name, please write down. If you know, please write down. Monster truck with a sticker of Captain America. Captain America. Everybody, let's move forward so we can see lot of vehicle here. The first one, police car, green color. Supercar, yellow color. Mini airplane, yellow color. Another racing car, number 9. Mini monster truck. Shoot car. Hero Spider-Man. Super motorbike, green color. Red police car. The last one, garbage truck. Everybody, if you love this video, please click a like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.